In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Convertkit. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Convertkit offers a powerful yet intuitive platform for your email marketing needs. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your message into your subscribers' inboxes. First off, we'll need to visit the Convertkit website. It's easy to find. You can simply search for Convertkit in your preferred search engine or type convertpaykit.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you're greeted with a friendly interface that's all about helping creators earn a living online. The next logical step is to log into your Convertkit account. You'll find the login option prominently displayed. Clicking it will take you to the login page where you'll begin the process of accessing your account. Here's where you'll need your account details that you set up during your initial registration with Convertkit. Start by entering your email address into the designated field. It's crucial that you use the email associated with your Convertkit account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, the next step involves keying in your password. Make sure you input it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, and often it's a small typo that prevents access. Once you've double checked your credentials, go ahead and click on Login to proceed. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will be the command center for all your Convertkit activities. This is where the magic begins. From the dashboard, you will navigate the platform, manage subscribers, create forms, and most importantly for today, send emails. To get started with sending an email, you'll look for the send option. This leads us to the essence of today's tutorial. Clicking send will unfold a menu where you'll select broadcast. A broadcast in Convertkit is essentially a single email sent to a portion of or all your subscribers, perfect for newsletters or important announcements. Once you've selected broadcast, you're ready to create a new broadcast. The option for new broadcast is your gateway to crafting the email you wish to send. Click it to move forward. Now the fun part begins. Convertkit offers a range of templates to make your email stand out. Whether you're looking for something simple and text-based or something more intricate, there's likely a template for you. Click on Templates to explore and select the one that best suits your message. After choosing a template, it's time to make it your own. Editing templates in Convertkit is straightforward. You can add images, text, and links to personalize your message, making sure it aligns with your brand and speaks directly to your audience. An essential part of your email is the subject line. This is what your subscribers see first, so it's worth spending some time to craft something attention-grabbing and relevant. It should give a hint about what's inside, enticing your subscribers to open your email. With your template edited and your subject line set, you'll then add the finer details of your email. This could be anything from the main body of your message to selecting the segment of subscribers you wish to send the email to. Take the time to review everything, ensuring your message is clear and free of typos. The next step is to continue to the preview and review stage by clicking on Continue. This is your last chance to review your email in its entirety before it goes out. Make sure links work, images load, and there are no last-minute changes needed. Finally, after thoroughly reviewing your email, it's time to send it. Find and click on the Send Email option. With that, your message is on its way to your subscribers' inboxes, ready to be opened, read, and ideally acted upon. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to sending an email in Convertkit. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate with your subscribers, engage your audience, and grow your online presence. Remember, each email is an opportunity to connect with your audience, so make it count. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials that help you make the most out of your digital marketing efforts.